Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting, coming to you from the beautiful North Georgia mountains. Even though it is dark and rainy when I'm making this, I am making some Easter embellishments tonight. And I do not have any Easter punches or dies. I don't have anything specific to that. And I got a punch or a swap coming up next week with Easter eggs. And so I looked and I don't even have an oval die. I do have this oval punch, okay? So I have come up with an embellishment that I'm going to make with this oval punch. This is, I think, 1 3/4 oval. Says EK Success, so I think I got it at a rummage sale. This is a Friskers. I call it a daisy. It's a 1.5 inch daisy. I got that at, I believe, Tuesday morning. And then this, I got it at a scrapbook store. It was actually a 2-pack. It comes with another circle with buttonholes in it. So you like layer them up. But this is a 5/8 inch circle. Now, you could make this embellishment with lots of other combinations though. So these are the ones that I have figured out this combination with. So I punched my egg out of white. So my oval out of white. Now, doesn't really look like an egg. It's too long for an egg. So I took some of my patterned scissors and I'm going to just chop off the top, and then I can lay that down here and I can chop off the bottom, and that way I just know that they are going to be the same width. That's what I figured out. Now, I'm not concerned if mine don't fit together here, because I'm going to make mine like this. Okay, now next I needed a chick, so I'm going to put a chick in my egg. All right, so this is the circle, and you could use lots of shapes for this. I actually have a flower punch that I started to use it and then just use the petals for the chick, so you could do that. And so I'm going to have my chick sticking out of my egg. Okay, now it's very easy to just draw a little eyeball on here with a pen or a Sharpie, but I wanted to go a little bit further and I wanted it to have a little beak. So using my daisy punch, I cut out some orange, and I just need one of these. So notice I didn't even cut out the whole flower. I just cut out the tips of them. And I want to add a little glue. And I want just a tad sticking out. Now, how cute is that little chick embellishment? So that's what I've been making this evening. I have now made 4 of them, and I want to maybe add these to a bigger embellishment for my swap next week. If you like this video, I kept it short and sweet. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. See you later.